Hello, good morning from Bali. I came here for 8 days, 7 nights, 8 days, and I'm staying in this beautiful Joglo Villa resort. Very nice place. Show you a little bit around. See? Very calm place. At night time, oh man, it's like in a fairy story, in fairy tale. So quiet and peaceful. Only the birds chirping. Look at this. Hello. I thought it's a parrot, but it's not. Okay, people around, but so I don't want to embarrass them. We got a little swimming pool. And swimming pool, I think it's not sure whether it's heated or it's warmer of the air temperature, but it's very warm. Yeah, dining place over there. I eat breakfast and dinner in there. And we got also art gallery. Yeah, very nice place. I made a plan for next 5 days to ride the motorbike and travel all around the island. So I'll start today with my route number 1. I can't remember the names I've got on my phone. I won't tell you them, but I'll try to make short videos from the place I'll be visiting, and I'll show you motorbike I rented. Hello. The motorbike I rented is this one, 150cc Yamaha. Hello. That's the name I'm staying in, Joglo Villa in Bali. 150cc, it's a big bike. And they're also renting these smaller ones, which is 110 cc's. 110 cc's. Hello. Right. 110 cc smaller bikes cost about just under £4 per 1 day to rent it, and this big one is obviously more powerful. It costs under £8, which is not very cheap. Alright, so I'll update you from the place I'm going to.
Hello, Lina.
Hello, this is my friend.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. I'm going to Bali Swing first.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
And then in Bali Swing,
Yes.
500 ticket.
Oh, 500 tickets.
Good in Umapakel Swing,
Uh-huh.
Tegalalang.
Oh, yeah,
You
yeah,
can
yeah.
click Umapakel Swing,
Alright.
Tegalalang.
Right. This is Bali Swing, so I'm gonna go on it. Yay! Wow, they've got a swimming pool down there. See, swimming pool down. Wow, beautiful place.
Oh, I love Bali. Yeah, I love Bali. Oh, yeah. Ah, okay.
Wow, swinging bridge. What a beautiful atmosphere. Wow. As you can see, down below is rice terraces down there. And I need to get into that swimming pool for sure. So hot. Wow. Who's there? Something in this palm tree making a noise, but I can't see who is there. some sort of animal maybe. Yeah. Bali is awesome place. Got to love here. Really seriously don't wanna get out of this pool. And the lady is escorting me here. She's giving me like a tour around this resort. And she said, let's go for a coffee tasting upstairs. I said, oh, let me chill in the pool. She said, okay, you chill in the pool, I'll wait. I said, no, you don't need to wait. You go upstairs and you wait upstairs. No. You are my guest and you can chill for 1 hour, 2 hours, or as long as you want. And I'll wait for you. So she's waiting right behind me. Look, she's hot, hiding in the shade. And like ventilating with the hat. Yeah, she's very hot. But well, what can I do? She didn't want to go upstairs. She's good of waiting for me. So, yeah, I'll be here for a while. I really love in here. They're also behind me. They do massage. But that massage, as the lady explained me, is spiritual. Like they, I don't know, they getting rid of so bad spirits, souls, or whatever they're doing. I don't know. But it looks weird. I saw when one girl was sort of crying, getting evils out of her. No, they believe in many things, like superstitious things. Ah, lovely, man. Oh, so lovely. Okay, my second stop is the monkey forest in Bali. Wow, he's got a stick. I'm playing with the stick. Look at this monkey. She's got some sort of fruit and she's banging to the floor. There. Show me. Come on, monkey. Show me. She's banging to the floor, cracking the whatever it is, and juice runs out. So she's licking the juice of the floor then. Clever monkey. Alright, demonstrate for me. So early, you doing? Ah, I see. She's got juice out of this, whatever it is. See? Cracking the nut or whatever it is, I don't know.
Did he manage to crack it? Oh, he's trying. That's adorable.
It's not working.
Sorry.
Wow, that's a lot of monkeys in this forest. So many. But as I noticed, they're all the same sort. All the same breed. That's a cool place for them to hang around, to play, to jump, to climb. Look at these trees. That monkey is still trying to crack that. Wow, that tiny monkey down there. chewing on the leaf.
Look, I didn't know this was here. That's an extra.
See that one? You got to be careful with them. I like this tiny. Oh, don't come to me. I like this tiny one. Oh, the one was catching a fish. Or maybe she was trying to drink water. I don't know. Wow! She scared the fishes. Jumped over this small stream. All right, funny. The other monkey I saw, she grabbed the... Wow! She's playing around, jumping back and forth. Ah, she's drinking the water then. Not the not catching the fish, but drinking the water. I see. The other monkey, you know, grabbed the tablets of someone's, like a plate of tablets, and she was trying to open it. Wow, this monkey is getting nasty. So the guy couldn't recover his tablets, and the monkey was trying to open it, and I don't know, probably eat it. So the guards were called in, and they tried to shoot that monkey, not with a gun, but you know, with this like when you put the stone in the, I don't know how it's called, but they were trying to shoot the monkey. Maybe distract their attention, and in a hope so she will drop the tablets, but she just ran away. No chance to catch her. Look how much space they've got, like full forest. So she just ran away with the tablets. I don't know what's gonna happen to her and what sort of tablets were there. Anyway, yeah, this one is bored. Look, she's looking for ticks, for fleas. She looks bored. Okay, my stop number 3 today is Tegenungan Waterfalls. So let's go and have a look what's in there. What sort of waterfalls they have it. Alright. People are queuing up there. Let's see what they can see. Wow! You're taking pictures?
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, Pop.
Wow! Ah, man, I can't wait to get there. That's the waterfall. Some Hindu celebrations down there, see? Oh, I so want to get under that waterfall. Alright, waterfall to the left, temple to the right. Let's have a look at the temple. Some Hindu temple. You can hear they playing some traditional music. Ah, there they are. Right, I came to the main waterfall and I can't wait to get into the water. It's so hot I am. Woo. Bamboo bridge. Oh! Okay, the water is not that warm. Ah. Wow. Wow. Yeah, baby. Nice. I just had a swim over there in that waterfall, and this is where they had the cockfighting. The one is still being slaughtered, and I'm going for a dip in here as well. Oh. Nice and cool. These guys came to watch the bloody hands from degutting the cocks.
Mamma mia.
You want to try this, buddy? You want to try carry that?
Is it heavy?
Nah, this is not heavy. That's 25 kilos.
Wow, that's a chicken up there. Loads of fruit. He said 25 kilos. Wow. This lady is balancing so well.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. This lady, look.
Hello.
Hello. Is it heavy?
No.
No?
I'm okay.
Okay. There was ceremony down there in the temple. So the Hindus had some sort of celebration. And that's the waterfall. I had a dip in there earlier. Very refreshing waterfall.
Hello, sir.
Hey. Hello. I just want to see how you're washing the laundry.
She can't speak English.
All right.
Yes.
Tell her that.
Dia kan oleh kena mo engke jangan mau manting baju. Lah tena ya kan ngomong sedikit. Lah ngomong limo gitu ya. She can see ya.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
This is old-fashioned way. Nice. Washing with the brush and then rinsing in this little stream. Nice. Just like this. Yeah. And she's using soap.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Kinawain kayo bensat isa pula sa ganyan niya. Yung gam do bangon na gam namo magay. Gam nam sumbangan. Đó là ajar đó.
What are they doing here?
They're looking for the berries.
Berries.
Yeah, berry sweet sir. Jadi bang enteng ini. Ah.
What sort? Ah, I
Berries
see.
sir.
Nice, sir.
Well, they edible. Can you eat them?
Yes, yeah, you can. It's good for antioxidant on your body.
Antioxidant.
Yeah.
Yeah. How they called?
Call in Bali Singapore.
Singapore goyang.
Singapore Gayang. So can I eat steak? Steak. Mmm. Wow.
Sweet, yeah, sweet.
So nice. Wow. Singapore. Wow.
I'm called Singapore.
So yummy.
Nice.
Lovely. Very nice. I don't know. I never tried this. I don't even know how to describe the taste. Wow. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It looks like this. Mmm. Yummy.
Sweet sir.
Very sweet. Mmm.
Bye-bye.
Refreshing. And this is a rice field. Rice fields. This is basically a side trip. I didn't expect to come here, but one of the guys from the waterfalls from Bali, he advised me on the way back home you can visit this place as it's beautiful sunset here in the rice fields. So I turned up here, waiting for a sunset. It's in 20 minutes time there will be a sunset. Wow, these berries are something else. I wanted to show you, this is a luwak animal. You see there? Luwak. They basically swallow specific coffee beans and then goes through digestion system. Then they poop them out and the farmers collecting them and peel them off, then wash them. And then, they're selling as a coffee beans. And this is luwak. Coffee is most expensive coffee in the world. And you've got some people gathered for a sunset. This thing in the corner is offering, I think, for the gods. And it's very popular things in Bali. A lot of people, a lot of places have these offering things. And down there, down below is rice plantations. Hello. That was a farmer coming back from the farm. Rice fields.